शम्भो महादेव 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 शम्भो महादेव। ॐ वन्दे देवमुमापतिं सुरगुरुं वन्दे जगत्कारणं वन्दे पन्नगभूषणं मृगमदं वन्दे पशूनां पतिं वन्दे सूर्यशशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियं वन्दे भक्तजनाश्रयं च वरदं वन्दे शिवं शङ्करं वन्दे भक्तजनाश्रयं च वरदं वन्दे शिवं शङ्करम्। We chant together the 8 verses of Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. Shri Rama Saumitri Jatayuveda Shadananaditya Kujarchitaya Shri Neelakantaya Dayamayaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Ganga Pravahendu Jatadharaya Trilochanaya Smarakalahantre Samasta Devairapi Pujitaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Bhakta Priyaya Tripurantakaya Pinakine Dushtaharaya Nityam Pratyakshalilaya Manushya Loke Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Prabhutavata Samastaroga Pranashakartre Munivanditaya Prabhakarendvagni Vilochanaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Vakshrotra Netrangri Vihina Janto Vakshrotra Netrangi Mukha Pradaya Kushtadi Sarvonnatarogahantre Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Vedanta Vedyaya Jaganmayaya Yogishvara Dhyeya Padambujaya Trimurti Rupaya Sahasranamne Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Swatirtha, no, not that one. Leave the video off, no? Only the mic.
The mic is on.
No, keep the camera off.
Camera is off.
No, but it's trying to get on. You switched it on. Keep that off. Yeah. Swatirtha mrit bhasma bhridanga bhajam Pishacha dukkharti bhayapahaya Atmaswarupaya Sharirabhajam Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya Shri Neelakantaya Vrishadvajaya Sragandha Bhasmadhyapi Shobhitaya Suputradharadi Subhagyadaya Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. So we have seen up to the 8th verse, and in this last verse, the Lord, the cosmic being in a form, a very pleasant, beautiful form of the Lord, a meditative form is described. Shri Neelakantaya, the one who has a blue neck and who has this bull, the Nandi, on his flag post, on his flag. The one who shines, who glows, who's radiant by his ornaments such as the garland of flowers, sandal paste, and the ashes smeared all over his body. And he is one such a beautiful, pleasant form of the divine, is a giver, is one who grants us all blessings. Like good children, good spouse, good parents, good home, good society, good religion, good culture, good civilization, good era, good time in which you live. He is a giver of all prosperity. Thus, unto you, O Lord, Vaidyanatha Shiva, the cosmic healer, my gratitude. Namaha, my gratitude. With these 8 verses, the prayer is complete, and these kinds of prayers conclude with the phalam, the result. What is to be done, how it is to be done. At times, the vidhi or the result or the method is talked about, and also the result is talked about. And so I chant, and hence the meter will be different. Balambike Balambikesha Vaidyesha Balambikesha Vaidyesha Bhavaroga Hareti Cha Bhavaroga Hareti Cha Japen Namatrayam Nityam Japen Namatrayam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam Maharoga Nivaranam. So Bhava Roga Hara Vaidyesha Balambikesha. These are the 3 names, O Lord of Balambika. Balambika is one of the powers, the Shaktis, the Dasha Mahavidya, the consort of Lord Shiva, Lalita Tripura Sundari, the universal goddess, but in a manifestation of a 9-year-old child deity. She comes as a small deity. Is it on? Move that cursor. Yeah. And so she is that small deity you keep that phone with you in case Vinod calls. I'm also orchestrating this class, and so please excuse us with the net situation. Balambikesha, Lord Tripura Sundari, the consort of Lord Shiva, she has a manifestation of Bala Ambika, Balambika, a child deity, a 9-year-old child deity, who destroys this demon Bhandasura. She destroys his army and that demon. And so those who remember the Lord, who is the Lord of Balambika, who is Vaidyesha, who is the cosmic healer, and Bhavaroga Hara, who is the one who removes the cycle of birth and death for all human beings. All afflictions. In this life, the one who removes, those who recite Japen Namatrayam Nityam, these 3 names, those who chant regularly 3 times a day, 3 times a day, those who chant the 8 verses. So the 8 verses are chanted 3 times a day, morning, noon and evening. And those who recite also these 3 names, Balambikesha, Vaidyesha, Bhavaroga Hara, well, Maharoga Nivaranam. Such people will be cured of all big diseases, big illnesses, Maharoga, great illnesses, strong, powerful, debilitating illnesses. They will be cured of all these illnesses. And thus presenting the method of recitation 3 times a day, this prayer, and unto the 3 names that he has quoted here. Well, this particular text is complete. Iti Shri Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. Thus, the Vaidyanatha Ashtakam, 8 set of verses, is complete. And in this 8 set of verses, we saw a very important name of Lord called Kalahanta. Kalahanta. This is verse number 2. Kalahanta is the one who destroys time. He is the god of death. He is one who took care of Lord Yama, the god of death, the deity of death, when he went to take the life of Lord Shiva's devotee Markandeya. And I mentioned that Markandeya was the only one who was given a very special mantra, who knew this mantra when he was on earth. And this mantra is the Maha Mrityunjaya mantra. Kindly refer to that mantra sent to you. Maha Mrityunjaya mantra is called even Moksha mantra. Mrita Sanjeevani mantra. It is a mantra that revives even the dead. It is like a medicine. It revives those who are debilitated, weak. Mrita Sanjeevani mantra or Moksha mantra or Mrityunjaya. Mrityu means death and Jaya means victory over death. So this is a great mantra which is seen in all the 3 Vedas, Rig, Yajus, Sama Veda, and it is believed that it slows down. When you chant this mantra, it wards off untimely death and it slows down the death process. If there is an untimely a death to happen, like times like this, so many untimely deaths. Well, to ward this off or to slow down the very process if somebody is in ICU, well, this mantra is chanted, Maha Mrityunjaya mantra. And when people apply the ashes on their body or their forehead, that's also when they chant this mantra. It is used for japa, chanting, repetition, repeated chanting of a mantra. It is used for that purpose. And it is also used for homam or fire ritual. In fire ritual, we offer oblations and invocations are done to Lord Shiva when we want to protect somebody's health. And so this is a mantra for healing, it is a mantra for rejuvenation, it is a mantra for nurturance. Let us chant the mantra and then I shall explain to you the meaning. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Om Triambakam Yajamahe Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhana Urvarukamiva bandhanan Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritaat 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritaat Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritaat Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritaat Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritaat Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritaat Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Being a Vedic chant, we have swaras or intonations. The three swaras or intonations are the lower, the middle tone and the high tone. This is how we have chanted at this time. Shambho Mahadeva, 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 Shambho Mahadeva. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.